Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy your mega data on the recharge app platform. So in my previous video I showed you how you can create your account, verify your KYC and also fund your wallet. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy your mega data on the recharge app platform. So for those who want to purchase uh, big data like 25 gig, 50 gig, 100 gig and above, this video is for you, and this video can help you buy this amount of data for cheap. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to do before you can buy mega data is to fund your wallet. So to fund your wallet, what you just need to do is to click on this green plus button over here. So once you click on it, you see your automatic funding account. Note that I have created a video for you on how you can get this bank account in my YouTube channel. So I'm going to drop the link on the comment section and also on the video description, so you can go there and watch it and learn from it. So you can fund the wallet using this automatic funding account, and note that there's a 15 naira charge. So once you have funded your wallet with the required amount, all you just need to do is to go to the service where you get the mega data. So you can scroll by your left or your right and you'll be able to find the mega data option over here, and you click on the buy now. So once you click on the buy now, this page is going to open. Another way you can get to this page is by clicking on the view all button over here. So you click on the mega data on this coupon image over here. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to this page. So we're back here on the mega data page. Now note that mega data is only for MTN. So the amount you wish to buy, you can check them over here. Like 25 gig is 7,350 naira. 50 gig is 13,000. 100 gig is 27,000. 250 gig is 69,000. So you can check the amount you want to buy over here, and then you go to your funding wallet and then you fund the amount on your wallet. Do you understand? So I'm going to buy the 25 gig because I have over 7,000 naira on my wallet. So I'm going to buy the 25 gig over here. So once you click on the buy button, you are going to get this pop-up message that says, are you sure you want to buy this plan? So what you need to do is, so once you have confirmed that you have enough funds on your wallet and you are sure you want to buy, you click on the OK button over here. So once you click on it, to say your purchase is successful. This is how you buy your mega data. So once you bought your mega data, now the question is, how do you now use this mega data? Since you did not put any number, you did not insert any number for them to send this data to. So the way to receive this mega data is for you to go back to mega data option. So scroll to your left and then click on the mega data. Now you see that there is 25,000 over here, 25,000 MB. Before it was zero that was there, but now there's 25,000 over here. Do you understand? If you check back on the video, if you scroll back and rewind, you will see that it was 0 MB that was on this place over here, and now we have 25,000 megabytes. So now I want to receive this megabytes on my phone. What I will do is that I'll click on the share data over here, and then I'm going to see the so now I'm going to see the option to select how much I want to share. Now I just want to share 1,000 megabytes over here, and then I'm going to input the number I want this megabytes to be sent. So I will insert that number. So once I've inserted the number I want this megabyte to be sent to, I'm going to put my pin. So I've already inserted my pin over here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the share button. Now if you want to save this number, you can just click on the add number to phone book. Then you can insert the name of the person with the number, or you can just leave it if you don't want to save that number. Then I'm going to click on the share button over here. So you can see it's asking me, are you sure you want to share this amount of megabytes for 30 days to this phone number? And I'm going to click on OK because I am sure. So as you can see, transfer was successful. Now I'm going to go back. So you can see I got my message that says that I've received the megabytes instantly. So it's very fast, it's very quick. You don't have to worry, there's no trick over here. So now you can see that I have 24,000 megabytes. Now you should know that this megabyte does not expire. This megabytes does not have any expiring date. I can leave this megabyte over here for 1 year, even 2 years. As long as I have megabytes over here, it will not expire. So it's something that, if you buy, you can sell it for as long as possible, and you can feel relaxed that whenever you want to sell, it does not expire, right? And secondly, you can send as high as 10,000 megabytes, 10 gig. So you can send as high as 10 gig. So if you are buying like 1 terabyte, you have to send it 10 gig each, to depend on who you want to sell it to. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you got value from this video. So please leave a like, drop a comment on the comment section if you have any question, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this. And I hope to see you on my next video.